Paris Las Vegas is a themed hotel and casino on the Las Vegas Strip, designed to evoke the charm and ambience of Paris, France. It features a half-scale replica of the Eiffel Tower, which offers panoramic views of the Strip. The resort also incorporates French-inspired architecture, cobblestone streets, and replicas of famous landmarks like the Arc de Triomphe. With a variety of dining options, a casino, and entertainment, Paris Las Vegas provides a unique blend of French sophistication and Las Vegas excitement. Las Vegas, often referred to as Sin City or the entertainment capital of the world, stands as a glittering oasis in the heart of the Nevada desert. Adjacent to Bellagio is the renowned Paris Las Vegas, transporting visitors to the romantic ambience of the City of Lights. With a half-scale replica of the Eiffel Tower and French-inspired architecture, it exemplifies the city's commitment to themed extravagance. The Bellagio in Las Vegas is renowned for its stunning fountain show, but the foundations of the resort are equally impressive. Completed in 1998, it stands on a complex foundation system. The hotel and casino are built on pilings driven deep into the ground, creating a stable base for the massive structure. The lake in front of the Bellagio, where the famous fountain shows take place, is also artificial and serves as a reservoir for the impressive water displays. The engineering behind Bellagio's foundations is a testament to the complexity and innovation involved in constructing such iconic structures in the heart of the desert. The city's most famous thoroughfare, the Las Vegas Strip, is a testament to its global reputation for unparalleled entertainment and opulence. The Las Vegas Strip is a vibrant, famous stretch of South Las Vegas Boulevard known for its iconic resorts, hotels, and entertainment venues. Lined with dazzling lights and towering structures, it's a hub for casinos, shows, and nightlife, making it a focal point of the city's tourism and entertainment industry. It is a city that constantly reinvents itself, pushing the boundaries of excess and spectacle. As visitors traverse the Strip, they encounter a dazzling array of architectural wonders, each contributing to the larger-than-life allure that defines Las Vegas. Further down the Strip, the legendary Caesar's Palace reigns as a symbol of luxury and entertainment. Since 1966, its Roman-inspired architecture and opulent design have attracted visitors seeking the ultimate Las Vegas experience. The Coliseum at Caesar's Palace, a venue that has hosted iconic performances by renowned artists, adds to the allure of this historic resort. Caesar's Palace is a legendary hotel and casino on the Las Vegas Strip. Established in 1966, it's known for its Roman-inspired architecture and opulent design. The resort offers a vast gaming area, luxury accommodations, and a variety of dining and entertainment options. The Coliseum at Caesar's Palace has hosted iconic performances by renowned artists. With a rich history and a central location, Caesar's Palace remains a symbol of luxury and entertainment in Las Vegas. At the forefront of this spectacle is the iconic Bellagio. Completed in 1998, its foundations are a marvel of engineering, featuring deep-driven pilings to support the massive structure. The artificial lake in front serves as a reservoir for the world-famous Bellagio fountains, a captivating water display that has become a symbol of Las Vegas grandeur. Las Vegas, with its vibrant nightlife, extravagant casinos, and world-class entertainment, has solidified its status as a global tourist destination.